welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's vlog, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start from. So I made my ogbono and okra soup, finished eating, and then I had to rush out to go to Lidl to get some things for the children for breakfast, and you know, some little things that I really wanted to get from Lidl. So after that, came back home and started trying to clean up my kitchen because I didn't clean up my kitchen. So now I finished cleaning up my kitchen, and I still have Obi's bottles to wash before I go upstairs. I'm about going upstairs to go and rest for the night because you guys, it's already late. Like, this is 5 minutes to 9 o'clock in the evening, but I just felt like I should start up this vlog because tomorrow is going to be a very busy day for me. So tomorrow I'll be taking Obi to the hospital. Oh my gosh.
And guys, guys, and you'll be going to buy burger.
That will be much later now. All your mind is on burger. So tomorrow, guys, I'll be taking Obi. Obi, say hi. Come and say hi. Come on, get closer. Guys are not seeing you. Come closer. Come closer. Because I'm not ready to move this camera. Come closer. Or say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
So guys, Obi's saying hello to you guys. Well, say hello, guys.
Hello, baby.
Okay, so guys, yeah, these children are not sleeping because my children sleep kind of like 8:30, 9 o'clock, but because we've been on holiday, Kema is at home, they don't sleep that early because she's not going to school tomorrow. So the good thing is that Kema is not going to school tomorrow. I have an appointment at the hospital. Obi has an appointment to see the doctor because of his leg. I told you guys about the issue he had with his leg when he was born, but everything is fine. But he just has this, you know, regular 4-month checkup. And another exciting, very, very exciting thing, that the reason why I even started up this vlog is because I want to tell you guys that I'm so excited. Like, I think there's a house I'm going to view tomorrow, and I think I'm going to get that house. Like, we're going to get that house because everything I saw is very, very okay. The entrance is fine. The rooms, from what I saw online, is very okay. So if they're happy with me to deposit, I'll definitely deposit tomorrow. And another beautiful thing about this place I saw is that it's very close to like where I'm staying now. My environment is very close. It's a place that I'm familiar with. It's not like going outskirts. So yeah, tomorrow the first thing we'll do is to go there and view the house. So yeah, I just felt like I should start off this vlog. I hope you enjoy watching, and please do subscribe if you're new to my channel, and enjoy this vlog, you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
For me, because I do nationwide delivery as well, so in the first few months I had to, you know, try out different companies to see what would be best with the service that I provide, because obviously with it being food being delivered next day, it had to be.
C number 20.
And you know what? When thankfully.
Let's check upstairs, Mommy.
Okay. Oh, you got that? Yeah.
The upstairs bathroom is okay.
Okay. house?
It doesn't have like. It doesn't have a perfect mirror. Yes,
Is it a big room?
Yes.
The biggest room?
Yes.
it looks tiny.
That one isn't there. Is there a wardrobe to the side there?
There's a wardrobe.
Yeah. Is there not a...
Okay, it's here.
Oh no, it's in the other one. Is there one there?
Oh, me.
Is this the wardrobe?
Yeah.
Look what we're doing now.
I think the other room's bigger. You've got double wardrobes in there.
Okay, the other room is bigger.
I think so.
Okay, let's check the bigger room.
Next to all.
So guys, I'm going home right now. We just finished cleaning the house and I'm so disappointed. So disappointed that I'm almost in tears. Like, everything about that house is just perfect. Just what I thought I would have wanted. But, you know, the rooms are quite small, even though I can even manage them. But the major thing is that it doesn't have a parking store and we have a lot of things to park in.
Can I tell guys something about the toilet I don't like?
When I finish.
Guys, something about the toilet I don't like is that the inside toilet here where there's water is dirty.
That one is not a problem. We can always wash it. Kema said the toilet is dirty. That's why she doesn't like it. We can always wash the toilet. It's not a problem. The house is fine. Didn't you like the house? Didn't you? I love the house. I love everything about it.
Big princess bed of Anna and Elsa.
So I just feel so much pains because this house is perfect for me. But my husband is like, there's no garage. We have a lot of things that we park in the garage. In this our present garage that we're supposed to take there. So I don't know what to do. Like, I'm just so disappointed. I don't know if I can find a house like this again around this environment. I don't know. But yeah, we're going home right now. I need to go get my jacket. I'm supposed to go straight for the appointment that I have with Obi's doctor, for Obi to see his doctor. But I forgot my jacket and it's quite cold outside, even though it's sunny. But I'm just feeling a little bit cold. The children are all okay. They're wearing their jackets. But I need to go home and get my jacket because I still have a lot of time. So I'm inside the taxi now. We are going home. I'll go home, get my jacket, ease myself. I also need to ease myself, you guys. I'm so pressed. So, yeah. They're real fishes, Emma.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go for x-ray. Obi, let's go for x-ray. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. So guys, we're done from the hospital. Just walking down to Burger King. Burger King is not far from where we are right now, so we're just walking down. Like, I'm so hungry, and Kaima is also craving. Like, we're all just hungry. I think Obi also is hungry. So yeah, we're going down there to get something to eat. Whew. Craving Burger King. I hope you're not closed. So I was just passing by and I saw this beautiful fashion by having Nicole's. You guys, I just couldn't resist taking pictures. This is so beautiful. And look at this handbag, guys. Look at this handbag. I'm not even a fashion blogger, but I love this. Look at that shoe. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, do you want to buy that top?
This summer is going to be beautiful. Okay, so look at this guy's outfit. See this guy's outfit. Look at those shoes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God.
They look real, Mommy.
They are not real. They're not real, but I just love the outfits.
Mommy.
I love the outfits. I love the design.
You go hold it for me. I'll hold your hand.
So guys, Kama has refused to lose her hair. She's always crying when I want to lose her hair. But tonight, we must do it tonight. Obi Namba. Obi na wants the scooter. No, Obi. No, Obi. The level of independence that Obi is displaying these days, is just out of hand. Like, seriously.
The dog was running for me.
There is no dog, baby. So guys, we're going to the pharmacy.
The dog was running for me.
Yeah guys, we're going to the pharmacy. Going to get some prescriptions. Like, I've been sleeping all day, you guys.
Yeah.
I don't know, today is just so different. Today is a bit different. I don't know, I've just been tired sleeping, and I woke up and decided to go to the pharmacy to get some prescriptions, get Obi's cream from the pharmacy, and also get my own prescription. So yeah, we're just walking down there. I felt like we should come out, move around, and take a walk. This street is not just a busy street, so I felt like we should take a walk. I didn't carry Obi's boogie. You guys, Obi is becoming so independent. Obi wants to walk. You guys just take a look. See, he's even carrying Kaima's scooter. Yesterday I came back tired, ate, and just took care of my kids, and we went straight to bed. But yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys later on. But right now we're going to the pharmacy to get some things, and the children are taking a walk, so I'll catch up with you guys later. So guys, you guys should just take a look at how Obi is walking. I had a little concern about how he walks until yesterday at the hospital. So you guys should just take a look. I'm going to tell you guys what the doctor thought when I told him about my little concerns about how he walks. So guys, instead of getting home to talk to you guys, I just felt like it would be very important to kind of end this video here while Obi is walking and running, so you guys can just understand what I mean when I explain the reason why I had to go to the hospital. Okay, I had to go to the hospital for his final checkup, and then I had this concern from the way he's walking. You notice that his right leg was a bit different from the way he walks with his left leg. I don't know if you guys can notice that. So you guys remember that I talked about the surgery he had 3 days after he was born. I'll put a link of that video on my description. You can just go check it out. So after that, he started walking at 11 months, and I noticed that his right leg was different,
from the way he works with his left leg. So this is one of the things I complained about, and immediately an MRI scan was conducted, and they noticed that there was just simply nothing wrong with him. The doctor told me that as he's growing and as he's walking, the legs will be straightening. And to be honest, as of today that I'm editing this video, I've seen a lot of changes. That very leg, the right leg, is straightening, and you know, gets him back to normal, like very normal, and he's working very well with it, unlike the way he was working right now in this video. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, be a part of my family if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.